Hello YouTube, this is Pranav and I'm back with another short tutorial on JavaScript. I just completed my work, had dinner, and because I had nothing better to do because we are in a state of curfew in the province of Quebec after 8 p.m. So here I am recording a video for you guys. And because you had nothing better to do, you are watching my video right now. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Pranav and I'm back with another short JavaScript tutorial for you guys. No, I don't talk like that. However, I wanted to share a very cool new feature in JavaScript that I learned today. And now, because I've learned it, what do you do when you learn a new thing? You make a video about it. Now, I learned that using the history API of vanilla JavaScript, you can do a lot of cool stuff. For example, you can modify the URL without reloading the page. Moreover, you can actually modify your browser's history without even visiting the page. Isn't that cool? You can actually inject some pages or some visits in your history that you have never actually visited. That can obviously be used to prank some of your old friends. However, it can also be very useful in some applications. For example, if you go to a page and you want to inject a page where you want the user to land back when he or she clicks the back button, you can actually change that using this method. So without any delay, let's get into it. But before we do that, you have to hit the like button and the subscribe button to support the channel. Because if you do so, YouTube will show this video to other people as well so that everyone can do the same trick that you are going to learn in this video. And as I said, we'll be using vanilla JavaScript. So here you go. Now you can do this by writing just one line of code, and that is window.history.pushstate. Now what this does is, it will create a new entry in your browser's history without even changing the URL. So it essentially has three arguments that it accepts. The first argument is a state, which is basically an object. The second argument is the title of your website, and obviously you know where you see the title on the tab, or it's also stored in the metadata. It's basically in the head section of a web page. And the third thing is the URL. Obviously you have to pass the URL so that the browser knows which page you want to inject in the history. This can be done with two different methods. The first one is push state, and this will create a new entry in the browser's history without reloading it. However, there's also another one called replace state. Now, as the name suggests, push will create a new entry and replace will replace the existing entry in your browser. So let's say you visited google.com today, but you can replace it with youtube.com so that when someone sees your history, they will see you were actually visiting youtube.com and not google.com. But isn't that amazing? If you think so, what the hell are you waiting for? Hit the like button and get the hell out of here.